Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Nicole, and today we're getting started with hair and makeup transformation, you guys. And today I'm wearing my EULLAIR hair. I have 2 videos with this hair already, you guys. I will have them linked down below for all the, in-depth information on the hair. But I do have this little cut going on. I had it in a side part the last time and I wore it dry, but I've been feeling the wet kind of sleek back look in my head and I wanted to put it into place, so I'm doing that right now. The last time you guys saw me lay this wig, I did it without a blow dryer, and it was a pretty cool technique, so check that video out if you will. I didn't bleach the knots on this wig. I don't like to bleach my knots on my wig because it makes the knots shed quicker, so that's why I just would rather not do it. So this is what I'm doing, you guys, just laying it real quick, showing you guys I already washed the wig off of camera. And yeah, this is the installation process pretty much in a nutshell. And also, I wanted to let you guys know, as far as the products, I'm using my Lotta Body foaming mousse at first, and then oh yeah, by the way, I'm cutting some because when this was in a side part, it wasn't even, like it was longer on the other side, so I'm just making it even. But I'm using my Lotta Body foaming mousse and my Got To Be black gel to keep the wet look on the hair. Yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna finesse it, you know what I'm saying? It takes some finesse, period. Okay, so now let's get into these baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, but I didn't want to do anything crazy, y'all. But it's like, I feel like a wig is not finished unless the baby hairs or like the edges are slicked or like sleek. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just doing that right here, you guys. And that's going to be pretty much it after I tie it down. So that's that, that's the hair portion. That's the hair portion. And then, we're going to get into this makeup, this eye, okay? But before we do that, you guys know, seriously, this hair is amazing. I love it so much. I've always wanted to do like a sleek back look like this, and the EULLAIR hair is perfect for it because the way it dries is so beautiful and so nice. And the hair doesn't like feel stiff or hard when I do it this way, and it just looks super healthy and shiny, and I just love it so much, you guys, so much. So now to get into the eye makeup, I'm using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as a base, and I'm going to blend that out all over my lid and like let it dry for about a minute. And then I'm gonna go in with my James Charles X Morphe palette. Go in with this black shade that I have here. I don't have the names, hence why I said that they should have put the names on the palette. I don't got time. We're using the black shade, okay? Period. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. You guys really want to blend out the edges. This took me a while to blend out the black, so be patient, build it up. With these shadows, you can't just do the windshield wiper motions. You have to pack the shadow on and then windshield wiper. So now I'm going in with these next 2 shades, which is kind of like a magenta kind of shade and like this deep kind of purple rusted kind of color that I love to use for my black smoky eyes. I'm going to use that to help the black blend a little bit better, give it some color, give it some dimension. And then I'm going to go in with the neon orangey shade in this palette and use that on the very edge, you guys. And then the thing is, You're going to see me go back and forth after this between all colors because I'm losing some of the pigmentation as I'm blending away. So I go back and replace all that pigmentation to make sure everything's there. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Mahogany. And I already apologize in advance for the lighting changes, you guys, because I know my lighting was going in and out. And that's because of the sun, because I film in front of a window and a ring light, but my windows blinds are closed. But when the sun goes over and in and out, it shows in the video. So apologize in advance. Now, my mama came in here when I was applying the concealer, and she didn't want me to put her in here like that because she was in her morning clothes. I woke up early to film this video, okay? I was getting that coin. I was on a paper chase. So I was trying this new concealer, and it's the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I have it in 2 shades. I will have it linked down below, you guys, because apparently y'all yelling at me to link stuff below, but I didn't think y'all care because y'all barely watch my videos when it comes to makeup. So anyways, I'm blending that out. I use 2 different shades. I'm using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and this one I'm using as a contour because, as you know, the NYX one that I like is now discontinued. So this one, I'm trying this out and see how I like it. I like it, y'all. So to set my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade 30, you guys. And I'm using a brush because I don't really want that dry feel. I want it to look very, you know, dewy and wet. And then I'm going to go ahead in with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 360 Mocha to set my powder contour. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to do the same thing under the eyes that I did on the top. I let the top out. Hey, I'm dripping like hot sauce. Yeah, yeah. After that, I'm going to sweep everything off of my face. I don't want that white cast on my face no more. So I'm going to sweep that completely off. And then I'm going to go with my MAC Mineral Skin Finish in the shade Dark to set the lower half of my face. And then for the upper half, I'm using my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in the shade Cinnamon Spice. Now I'm going in with my NYX Ombre Blush in the shade Feel the Heat, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks in the same shade that I used for my transition, the purple magenta shade. I dabbed a little bit on that to mix with the blush to give it more of a, you know, feel like the eye. And then I use my MAC Fix Plus, and I use my blow dryer. Okay, I use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Ain't nobody got time. And to highlight and blind all you motherfucking haters out there, I'm using my Jeffree Star X Manny MUA Eclipse highlighter that I got like 2.5 years ago. Y'all, this highlighter is very amazing. Aside from how y'all may feel on these individuals. This was a long time ago when I bought it. So yeah, anyways, I'm using my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in the shade Gingerbread. And then I go in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Naturally Transformed. And then I go in with my Kylie brown sugar to blend the edges a little bit more. And then I top it with a gloss from the Beauty Supply store. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That concludes the video. Nothing more, nothing less. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate filming them, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out EULLAIR hair, you guys. Their hair is definitely bomb, and I recommend it to you, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Love you. Bye.